Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2021 Porsche Macan S. Now this is kind of part of me doing a little shopping too. Driven the 4-cylinder 22, now I'm driving a certified pre-owned S. Kind of seeing what I need. Well, not need. Want. Let me just make sure there's no water on camera. Good. Panoramic roof. Ventilated seats. Do we have a sticker somewhere in here? But this one I believe has the Premium Plus pack, because that's what gives you ventilated seats. In sport mode. Let's go for a drive. This is the twin turbo V6. It's the biggest reason to jump from the Macan to the Macan S is the addition of 2 cylinders. Oh, dynamic sunstone sensory. Can you tell I work in Infinity? I mean, I know the color name and the trim level just off the wheels. Looks like a graphite interior? Yeah. I love the compass. That is awesome. Oh, what a machine. Porsche Macan. The car that, well, no, people hated the Cayenne. But then the Macan came out and people said, you know, these are actually good. And they are phenomenal cars. Now that I think about it, I've owned 2 4-cylinders and 2 8-cylinders. I owned an NA 4-cylinder and a turbocharged 4, an NA V8, and a supercharged V8. Maybe it's time to change things up and add a turbo 6 in the lineup. The thing is, where do I find an NA 6-cylinder? Buy like an old beat up V6 Mustang just to say I owned one? No. I don't know, honestly. I drove the base 22 Macan. I seriously don't know. They are both phenomenal. Again, I'm comparing new to certified pre-owned. This one has 23,000 miles on it. Is there going to be differences? Yeah. And plus 22 is a refresh. Biggest change for 22, I think, is the different gauges, and this is all digital, which honestly I like this layout better. But, and don't say, oh well, these have blank buttons. The new ones do too. You can see where the light would be if it was an option and it's not there. So don't use that as an excuse. I like this because this is just cool. And for somebody who looks in the window, be like, whoa, look at how many buttons this thing has. Is it a little gimmicky to think that way? Yeah, of course it is. But spending this much money on a Macan or a car in general, I want little gimmicks. I want something that makes people say, wow, okay, that's cool. Yeah, okay, maybe that does sound a little egotistical to buy a car as a brag, but regardless, I don't really care. I own a Hellcat. You already knew that about me. I will say, I think the addition of the sports exhaust would change how my ranking is with this right now, but I like that 4-cylinder a lot. I didn't Now, don't get me wrong, they're both excellent cars, but is it worth the thousands of dollars to jump just for the engine? I don't know. I really don't. If you're going to be tracking it, of course, but as a daily driver, it's tough. But yeah, if I was spending the money, I'd still buy the S. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.